Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to propose a new meeting time in Google Calendar. If a schedule does not work for us, this feature lets us suggest a better option. Let's get started. On our Google Calendar, here is our meeting, and we want to propose a new time. All we need to do is click the meeting and then click Edit. From here, we simply choose the meeting we want to change. For example, let's change the time to 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. As we can see, the change has been made. Once we are done, we need to let everyone know about the update. We just have to click Save, then click the meeting again, and select Email so that everyone is notified. This will send an email to all attendees, letting them know about the new meeting time. We then click Send so everyone is notified of the change. And that is how we propose a new meeting time in Google Calendar. With this simple feature, we can easily coordinate schedules and find a time that works for everyone.